Hello friends, Monica from Aviary here, and I am really excited to show you my project today. Now this is a continuation really from the egg decorating project we did a month back. I thought this was such a neat technique, I wanted to do another project with it. And originally I thought I was going to just decorate the flower pot, and I did. I will show you later. But I thought it needed to be a little bit more wicked aviary. I wanted to make it a little bit mysterious and dark, and here it is the result. I made a little potion cabinet, and I just think it's really great. I will show you how I made it right now. I found this plastic container in the recycling box and I really like the shape. I thought, why not try to make something out of this? So I grabbed my glue and I add a little bit of water because it's a little bit stiff coming right out of the bottle, and that's just regular white glue. I dilute it a little bit and I want to strengthen the plastic a little bit with just old-fashioned paper and glue, papier-mâché. I give it, I think, a couple of layers, make sure everything is covered, and once you're happy, let it dry. Alright, now everything is dry. Put some on the inside too, so the outside, the inside, and this part is covered. Now I'm going to add some shelving. Okay, now I'm just going to eyeball this and put a little bit of glue here. And what else? Oh, also I thought maybe I want to put some lights inside, and also to make it a little bit more steadier, I am going to put this little box here on the bottom. Alright, now so with my shelving and the little box in place, is this straight? I am going to cover it with some more paper. Oh, actually, before I make everything wet again here, I'm going to cut out a window. I don't know, I was going to go fancy, but I think something like that. Now, oh yeah, I think that's doable, yes. So I'm just cutting this all around. Okay, so now we have the window. So now I'm going to have to find another plastic to replace this. And we're just going to put that on, but now I'm going to finish this nicely. Alright, so this is looking more and more like a little cabinet, but of course now with all the paper added, this is not closing properly, and it was already a little bit hard, so I figured I will have to change this anyways. Now I don't like this one here. Also, I'm going to see how much I can get away with cutting, because I still want to keep that hinge here. I'm just going to cut this one off. Okay, let's see. Ah, yeah, that still works. Alright, so here's my cabinet, all dry and ready to be decorated. Now, I want this to be like a little herb cabinet, so I thought I will use the same technique I did when I made those lovely Easter eggs. I wanted to have that metal look, and I will leave a link below if you want to watch exactly. I will describe a little bit more in that video how I got to the leaves. Now all I did, again, very simple, I just used the microwave and used my, those are yellow buttercup leaves from my garden. And now let's just decorate. Now I'm gonna use the Mod Podge again, and so those ones are really dry, so I just wanted to put some Mod Podge in the back first to give it a little bit elasticity. So those leaves were actually really dry. I had them in the microwave for a couple of minutes and then I let them sit for actually a few days before I got back to it. And they were super dry, so I really needed to add the Mod Podge in the back to get them a little bit more flexible. And then I just added them on. It was a little bit tricky, but once they stick, let them dry and then just add more layer as you go along. Just let them dry in between. So once I was happy with the coverage, I gave it one last layer of Mod Podge for protection. And there we go, painting. That's always the fun part. Now I used my airbrush to give everything a black undercoat, but it can be done with the brush too. The airbrush is just super fast and it takes very little paint. I made a little snake too for decoration on the bottom there. And then once that is dry, I used my brush, loaded it up with just white paint and wiped most of it off and move it over the design, and the raised areas will pick up the paint, so that will make it look really neat. I also, on the bottom there, you see my little containers I painted black for the inside of the cabinet. That was actually a lot of fun. I should make a project out of that. And there we are. So the painting really very simple. Also the same way with the eggs. Just watch the egg video if you are a little bit confused. I describe it a little bit better there. Also the way I microwave the plants and everything. I will put a link in the show notes down below. I also have little snakes here. Now, I made them very quickly. I didn't even bother taping them because I was just kind of playing around. I used aluminum foil and I had some Sculpey and used that, and they were really fast and very easy to make. I originally wanted to make a spider, but that was too complicated, so I stuck with snakes. And what else? Oh yeah, and you can open it. Let's see, take those flowers off. I did not put them on permanently. So I just made a little wire hook here. And then it opens up. But it is not a super sturdy one. This is a little prop here, and I just love it a lot, and I will make a more permanent one. And this is the end. And if you're still watching, you guys are the best. Thank you so much, because for you I make those videos. And so if you have anything you want me to do, let me know. If there's anything you're stuck with, you try to figure out and you can't, let me know. I want to help. Let's create together. Let's build a little community of people who just like to build stuff and figure out things in a simple way, and that doesn't break your bank account either. This is Monica from Wicked Aviary. Oh, I forgot the plant pot here. So this is, I made it the same way, made it exactly the same way. Just put some tissue paper underneath and then the plants on top, and I painted it. I just thought it looked a little bit busy, but still nice. Plant pot, another idea. There we go. This is Monica from Wicked Aviary. Thank you so much for watching, my friends. My hair is crazy today. I should cut it. I'll see you soon with a new project. I already have something in mind. It involves squirrels. Yeah. Ciao for now.